the Alabia second friend. So student, we have learned about present perfect tense passive voice. So today we are going to learn about the past perfect tense passive voices. So first of all, we have to see what are the rules. Past perfect tense passive voices. Passive voice. Before converting passive voice in active voice into passive voice, we have to write some active voice sentences. For that, we have to write in two columns: active voice and passive voices. So, can you tell some sentences of past perfect tense in active voice? I had driven a car. What would be the negative sentence of this? I had not driven a car. And another one? You had played cricket. Had you played cricket? So this is affirmative, this is positive or affirmative, negative or questionable, and this is interrogative. Sorry, questionable. This is questionable or interrogative. Okay. I had driven a car. I had not driven a car. You had played cricket. Had you played cricket? So, any other one? Apples. He had eaten apples. So, converting or changing these sentences into passive voice, first of all we have to see what are the rules of passive voice in past perfect tense. So, the helping verb will be had been with both singular and plural. With singular and plural, we will use had been in place of helping verb. Then after we have main verb, we will use the third form of main verb, which is verb. So in every passive voice, we have to use the third form of the verb. Okay, the third form of the verb. And using by as preposition, then after object. Okay, what is the structure of the passive voice? We always have object is first, then we have helping verb, then we will have main verb, then by, and then the subject. So converting these sentences into passive voice, we have to see what is our object. The object come first in a car had been driven by me. Why we used me? Because the subjective pronoun will be converted into objective pronoun. Okay. I had not driven a car. A car had not been driven by me. So you had played cricket.
Cricket has been played by you.
Yes, cricket is the object, so therefore it comes first. Cricket had been played by you. So in interrogative or questionable sentence, I had had you played cricket? So had cricket been played by you, you remain same as in subjective pronoun and as in objective pronoun. So understand?
Yes, sir.
He had eaten apples.
Apples
Had been. So we have in the rules whether it is singular or plural, we will have to use had been. Okay, so here the object is plural, so we are using had been with it. Had been. Apples had been eaten. So what is the subject? He will be converted into him. By him. So hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay.